In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to find out if you have existing Google AdSense account. Google, who is the owner of AdSense, says they don't want a person to have two AdSense accounts. If you have two AdSense accounts, you mistakenly open two AdSense accounts, they may end up banning you from having AdSense, okay? Or you may run into issues which will require you to write so many mails. Okay, let me walk you through on how to check if you have to access account. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. Okay, that's your Chrome web browser, because most times your Gmail account is linked to it. Okay, so here I'll double click on it for us to continue. Now, once you're on this page, visit gmail.com and log in with your Gmail address. Okay, here I have logged in with my Gmail email address. Okay, and I have few emails here. So once you log in with your Gmail email address that you want to test to know if it has access on it, to find out if you have existing access account, click on this plus sign to open a new tab. Once you're this new tab, visit google.com forward slash AdSense. You can see that here, google.com forward slash AdSense. Once you type this in the address bar section, press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to search. And look at what it says here. It says no AdSense account. It looks like this, that's the Gmail address, isn't associated with any AdSense account. Okay, so with this, you can find out that this email address I tested with, Gmail address, does not have any existing AdSense account. So let me close this tab. Now, what if a situation you have two Gmail addresses? Okay, Gmail email address, and you want to test for the other email address. If you have two or three, you must test those Gmail email addresses to be sure that none of them is associated with Google AdSense. All right. So you need to log out from the from the Gmail, and log in with another Gmail account. Okay. So how do we do that? Click on the profile icon, which is M in this case. Once you click on there, you will see your existing email address, Gmail address that is logged in at that point in time. Then select sign out. Once you sign out, log in with your other Gmail account. All right, so log in with that second Gmail address. Okay, then after that, we test. Here, I'm logged in into another Gmail address. So let's test if AdSense is active on this, whether I've created an AdSense account with this new Gmail address. How do we go about that? Click on this plus sign. Once you click on that plus sign, visit google.com forward slash AdSense. All right, I've typed in google.com forward slash AdSense, then I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. And here I'm logged into Google AdSense immediately, meaning that I have an AdSense account. So test out with all your Gmail addresses, email addresses, please. Okay. So once you test out and maybe one of them have already have an AdSense, okay, you have created accounts, access account with one of them. What do you need to do next? You can add the other email, Gmails, okay? Maybe the Gmail you are using for your YouTube channel is different from the one that you originally used to create an AdSense account. You can link both, okay? So check the description. I have a video on how to add Gmail account to an existing AdSense account. Okay, so you don't need to create another AdSense because Google will discover that, and because of that, they may ban you from their system. So one access, but you can add other email addresses on it. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Here, up here, you will see a video on how to add a Gmail account to an existing Google AdSense account. So you don't need to have to access, rather have another Gmail account, email address in the existing one. Thank you and see you some other time.